How to make private server in Roblox. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the tutorial. For this, go ahead and open up your browser and search for roblox.com or open up your Roblox application. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now once you are in here, you can select any of the game where you want to create your own private server. For an example, I'll be selecting this particular game right here. Now you will see About, Store and Servers option. Select the tab of Server. So right here, as you can see, to create a server, it will take at least of 10 Robux. However, the charge does differ according to the game and the server that you want to create. Now as you can see, I don't have enough Robux, and if you have the same problem, you can go ahead and follow this simple step. You can tap on the Roblox and simply tap on Buy Roblox or tap on Create Private Server. Now it will tell you to go ahead and purchase some of the Robux in the store. You'll be redirected in the store where you can easily buy Robux according to the fee charge that it requires to create your private server. And that is exactly how you can create your very own private server where you can invite your friends and play together. You can also join other servers if you scroll down a bit and tap on the join option. And that is all for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.